Chinchow, LanturnJoe here, and welcome to a special tutorial video for you guys. Now, earlier today on my Twitter, the day I'm recording this is the 15th of February 2021, the day I'm recording this on, I released a poll on Twitter asking you guys if you would like a ROM hacking patch tutorial, and that's what this is going to be. This is going to be a ROM hacking patch tutorial for you guys. I'm going to take you through how to patch an IPS, a UPS, and of course XDelta for DS games as well. Also, if you want to know all those things, then I can tell you them, I can teach you them. I can't give you ROMs, but I can teach you how to patch them. If you can get them for yourself, then I can teach you how to patch them easily through this video. There'll be links down in the description below to where you can download the patching software. Again, can't give you ROMs, but can give you can send you links to patching software online. If you do a search on Google, I'm sure you'll find ROMs. But I can't tell you where to look, and I can't give you them. It's just the way of the world. It's just the way it is. I cannot give you these things, but if you can find them for yourself, then that's perfectly fine. Then take them, but I can't give you them. Okay? So, also we are going to be using chapters. So if you want to jump to, patching an IPS, then you can jump to this. You can jump to a certain point in the video. You can jump to, if you want to do a UPS, then you can jump to this certain point in the video. And of course, if you want to do XDelta, then of course you can jump to that point in the video. I do not know how to patch 3DS games. It is actually quite more complicated to patch 3DS games if you're playing Sinking Sapphire or Rising Ruby. I do not know how to do that. It is something I'm considering learning, since I've now learned how to homebrew my DS. So expect a future tutorial on that eventually once I've learned how to do it. So I can't say I'm going to do it now, but there may be another one of these videos in the future for that. Okay, guys? Alright, so for IPSs, you will need a program called Luna IPS. If you search it up on Google, you'll find it. It is called Luna IPS. Some ROM hack files require IPSs, others require UPSs, and some require XDeltas. They're usually the DS games. Dreanu is someone who uses XDeltas for his DS games for like Renegade Platinum, but he actually gives you the patching software, and it also does a little tutorial, gives you like Reddit documents and stuff like that to show, notepad documents to sort of show you how to patch it yourself, because he's nice like that. But I will show you anyway, because I'm also nice like that. Anyway, so let's get on with patching the IPS. So if you jump to this point in the video, you'll be able to patch IPSs. So to patch an IPS, what you want to do is you want to get your, you want to double click on Luna IPS. Now you want to click on Apply IPS Patch. Now what I have here on the desktop is I have Gold 97, a beautiful, great game that you guys should play. This is Super Gold 97, the latest version of it, version 6.2.2, which can be patched to a Pokemon Gold ROM. It used to be only be able to be patched to Crystal, but now it can be patched to Gold ROMs as well with Super Pokemon, with Super Gold 97. So that's really cool. I also have Pokemon Ash Gray. This is version 4.5.3. It is the latest version of Pokemon Ash Gray as well, and this needs to be patched to a Fire Red ROM. So what you want to do is you want to double click on your patch, then you want to double click on your ROM, And there you go. That is as simple as it is. All you needed to do was click Apply IPS, double click on your patch, which is ash grey in this situation, and then click make a fire red. Click on one of your fire red ROMs if you have one. There's a fire red ROM. And there we go. Oh, so that is all you needed to do for IPSs. Now, I would suggest renaming your ROM the same as your patch. That way you won't forget what ROM it is. If you say it's Fire Red, if you think if you're just playing, I want to play Fire Red, well, I double click on this. Oh no, it's Ash Grey. Whoops, can't play Fire Red. Just make sure that you rename your file, and that way you won't have to do that. In order to rename your file, you just need to click on, you need to right click, sorry, I get mixed up between left and right clicking. Okay, so you right click, and you go to rename, you take the name of the patch. So I'm doing this on the IPS patch first, so this is Gold 97, you go to copy, again right clicking, and then you find your gold, the gold ROM you just made, then you find your gold ROM over here, click to go rename, and then I'm going to click gold here, and I'm going to click paste. There we go. So now we have Pokemon Super Gold 97. And I'm also going to do it with Ash Grey, so that I remember as well. This is Ash Grey. So I'm going to call it Ash Grey. And this is the Fire Red ROM that I did it with. I patched, so there we go. It is Pokemon Ash Grey. There we go. Now, UPSs. For UPSs, there's a number of different softwares you can get. There's the one I'm using, which is called to.to, which is a really good UPS patching software. Or there's one called NUPS, which is also quite good as well. And there's a few, and there's I think there's one for Mac as well. But I don't have a Mac, so I can't teach you how to use Macs, because I don't know how to use Macs myself. I don't have a Mac, so cannot teach you how to use Macs. But what you want to do basically is the same thing, really. So I will show you this. Double click on Topsukumi UPS. You want to click Apply Patch to Existing File. Then you want to go browse, and you want to find the UPS that you're looking for. So you want to know where you're going. So mine are all on the desktop here. So I have Pokemon Radical Red, and I have Pokemon Unbound, two of the best hardcore Fire Red ROM hacks you can get that are in a UPS form, and they are absolutely awesome and absolutely hard. So be careful with these ones. But there we go, Radical Red 2.1, and then you want to go to browse again down here to find the ROM. The file will be overwritten. Again, rename your file so that way you know what it is. So now I need to find a Fire Red. There's Fire Red copy 2 and apply patch. And there we go. Patch is applied successfully. Oh, and then you go to OK. So Fire Red copy. Where is it? Where did I put this? Fire Red. Oh, it's already. They moved it over here. Okay, so Fire Red copy. I need to rename this. Where's rename? Copy. Rename. There we go. Radical Red 2.1. And We can do this again here for Pokemon Unbound. So again, double click on to.to on the UPS. Actually, wait, I'll show you how to do it on NPS as well, NUPS as well. So, hang on, I have NUPS. Where is it? It should be in my Unbound folder that I just made. Pokemon Unbound, NUPS. I'm going to bring it out to the desktop here. Copy here. There we go. All right. So, NUPS. Double click on this. And in NUPS, it's basically, again, the exact same thing. Apply to UPS patch, apply an UPS patch to a file. So there we go, we have this, and now we want to find the file to patch, which is our ROM. So fire red copy. And then we want to find our UPS patch, which is Pokemon Unbound Official. So there we go. And we want to, and we can click keep a backup file if we want to do that. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click the tick box on that, and I'm going to click patch. And patching has been done. So we have now got this backup file, and of course we also have this, which is Pokemon Unbound. So let me copy this over to here, and there we go. That is Pokemon Unbound. So now we know how. Now you know how to copy and patch ROMs. You know how to patch a UPS and an IPS. Now let me show you how to patch a XDelta. So I have Pokemon Renegade Platinum here. This is Renegade Platinum version 130, 1.30. We want to double click on it here, and we want to go to XDelta light.exe. Now, of course, this is inside the when you download Renegade Platinum. Again, Drayonu is nice, and he gives you a copy of the thing. He gives you a copy of it. He also gives you all the patches you need and everything. So, but it gets a bit complicated with XDeltas. So, what you want to do is you want to go to original file here, and you want to go to find your ROM with original file. So, I have Pokemon Platinum. It is here, and then the XDelta patch is here on the desktop, is in Renegade Platinum there, and you want to go to base patch first. So you want to apply base patches first, and you want to go to whichever version of your ROM you have. So if you have the European version of Platinum, you want to go for the top. And if you have the American version, you want to go for the bottom version. You want to go for the bottom. It's the versions of the game you have. So I want to go for there, and apply patch. And there we go, successfully applied. Not bad. And from there onwards, we can patch again if we wanted to with Renegade Platinum, because Renegade Platinum has a bunch of different patches you can add to the game. So if you wanted to add the classic version, you can do that by applying the classic version. Again, you can add shiny rates. Again, it's just basically, so if you just want a normal version of Platinum with the hardcore Renegade Platinum style, you apply the classic version. If you want the shiny rates to be upped or downed, you apply these two versions. There's 1 in 4,096, and then there's 1 in 8,192, and then there's the super speed up patch, which basically turns insane text speed on. So like really fast text speed. That's what that turns on. Basically nothing else as the game has changed. It's just that it turns on insane text speed. So if you don't want to be, you know, if you're not reading the text, if you're not that kind of if you're not reading the text, you just want to get through and get to the battles, then of course the speed up one is what you need. I will show you how to do one of these because I can, and I already have a ROM. I already have a patch of Renegade Platinum, so I can show you that. So in UPS, so in our XDelta here, Delta patched light.exe, again inside the Renegade Platinum file, which again I will link down in the description below. So you want to go to original file. This time you want to double click on the ROM you just patched. So in this situation you want to go to desktop, you want to go to find the patched ROM. So there is my Platinum, that is our Platinum patched ROM, and then we want to go to XDelta, we want to go to Renegade Platinum here, Renegade Platinum, double click on Renegade Platinum again. This time we want to click on additional patches, and then you want to click one of these. So for example, if I wanted, let's say, classic version, there we go, double click on that, and of course now we just go to apply patch. There we go, successfully applied. Now I have Renegade Platinum hardcore style, but without any of the without any of the changes. So for example, it'll just be a 4th gen game, but it'll still have the hard AI of a Drayanu ROM hack, but it won't have like fairy types, it won't have any of the, you know, newly hatched mons, newly retyped mons, new moves or anything like that. It'll just be a harder game with the AI thinking, of course, EVs and IVs, and of course also held items and stuff like that, but and maybe higher levels. But it will not be, you know, there'll be no retypings, the fairy type won't exist because, you know, this is 4th gen again. So there we go, that is Renegade Platinum Classic, if you will. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you patch XDeltas, IPSs and UPSs. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe for more. And of course, go and check out some of my series that I have on the channel. Right now we have a Pokemon Moon Randomizer Nuzlocke, and of course we also have a right now in the trial run we're doing Pokemon Royal version, and we are going to be moving to Pokemon Sorrel version in the next couple of days, which is our next trial run to do. But until next time, I am LanturnJoe. Mean the Pokemon get to Lazar. Everybody get Pokemon. Good night. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe for more videos. And of course you can ring the bell and you'll be notified first when those videos come out. You can follow me on Twitter at LanturnJoe, where you'll get news, thoughts and opinions from me, Joe, and the rest of the Lantern Nation. And of course, if you're a fan of this sort of thing, then you might like Power Zone Metal, a radio show presented by me and my brother Dan, aka the Gentleman of Metal. You can find out more information about that on powerzonemetal.uk. And of course, if you want to watch more videos, you can watch them by clicking in the top right and top left hand corner of this here end card. And of course, until next time, from me, Joe, and from the rest of the Lantern Nation, we'll see you again.